Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina. And as this summer heats up, it may be sending you on the inside for some cooler temperatures. And if that's the case, we don't want to give up our gardening. So start with some indoor plants if you don't have any going. An easy care plant to start with will be a Sansevieria or a snake plant. This guy likes low light. It can take bright light as well, indirect and low water needs. But here's a good one for beginners. Another great choice as a beginner would be a ZZ plant. ZZ plants like bright but indirect light, and they too have low water needs. So a really good, easy plant to start if you're first time with your house plants inside. If you're looking for a really project, then you can put together a wonderful dish garden, which is an array of plants that work together in a container. And you can tend that garden inside where it's full. Another great idea would be to create a terrarium inside glass. As a matter of fact, I think in August we have a class coming up. Look for that in the comments. I'm sure we'll put when that class is. But create a garden in a glass, and that's a perfect way to enjoy gardening in the cool.